Hello everyone, I hope you're doing very well. In this video, I want to explain how to connect your iPhone to the FitPro app. This step-by-step tutorial will show you exactly what to do, no matter which smartwatch you have, since most of them work in a very similar way. To begin this tutorial, I recommend that if you already have the app installed, uninstall it and install it again so that it opens as if it were the first time you use it. Now let's begin. We need to download the app from the App Store. Search for it exactly by its name FitPro and wait a few seconds for it to download. When we enter the app, it will ask for Bluetooth permission, which we must allow, and an activity tracking permission, which you should not allow. Then it will ask for the location permission, which we also need to accept. After that, the health access screen will appear. In my case, I will choose Don't Allow, but that's up to you. Finally, a registration screen will appear. I will choose the skip option, but you can enter your information to create an account if you prefer. It is important that you know the name of your smartwatch. To find it, go to the watch settings and look for an option that says Information or About. Once inside the app, go to the Settings option and then look for Bind Device. A list of devices will appear. Select the one that has the name and code of your smartwatch that you checked earlier and connect it. If for some reason the watch does not appear in the list, you must factory reset or restart your watch and try again. If it still does not appear in the list, go to your iPhone Bluetooth settings, and if the watch is already paired, choose Forget this device, then refresh the search inside the app and connect it again. A pop-up message will appear. Select OK. This message is to let us know that the watch will connect to the phone's Bluetooth and to activate the notifications permission, which we must accept. Next, look for the notifications option inside the app. Open it and activate the notifications you want your watch to receive. Go back and open the watch face settings, select the first option, then choose Select Image. The app will ask for permission to access your phone's gallery. Choose Limited Access, select the photo you want, and apply it. With this, your smartwatch will be fully connected to your iPhone. If this video was helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe and leave a comment. Greetings to all, and see you in the next video.